Want to find hidden gold mines in the real estate market? I'm going to show you how to analyze wholesale deals on Redfin like a pro. First, head over to Redfin and start searching in your target market. Look for properties that seem undervalued or distressed. These are prime candidates for wholesale deals. Once you find a property that piques your interest, click on the listing. Next, carefully review the property details. Pay close attention to the listed price, square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and lot size. This gives you a baseline understanding of the property's current value. Now, let's crunch some numbers. You need to estimate the after-repair value or this is what the property will be worth after renovations. Research comparable sales comps of similar renovated properties in the area on Redfin. A great way to do this is by looking at recently sold homes in the area in similar condition to what your RV is. Next, estimate the renovation costs. Be realistic. Factor in everything from cosmetic updates to major repairs, and always overestimate. It's better to be safe than sorry. Look at what type of repairs need to be done and assess how much this may cost. And remember to factor in the costs of permits, labor, and material. Finally, determine your desired wholesale fee. This is your profit. Subtract the renovation costs and your fee from the ARV. This gives you your maximum offer price. If the listed price is significantly lower than your maximum offer, you might have a good deal. Now it's time to reach out and get the deal in motion.